got Scotch Bonnet, that's my pepper. And then I love onion, so onion helps thin it out. It makes it so it's not super strong. One little drop doesn't burn my tongue, so the onions help thin it out. Then I've got garlic and salt. 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients. We're keeping it simple. What's good, guys? So we're in the kitchen today and we're going to show you how abs are made. That's with nutrition. 80% nutrition, 20% gym. So we're keeping it real simple. We've got some lovely onions here we're going to make. We're going to mix them with our garlic, a little bit of salt to help the palate, and then we've got some beautiful, lovely, strong Scotch bonnets. So we're going to blend this all together, and I'm just going to use this maybe at every other meal. I'll have it on the side, just something hot and spicy to dip it in. I like my spicy food, and if you like spicy, comment spicy down below. And yeah, the recipe's simple and it will kick your butt. So you should definitely try it if you like some spicy food, guys. Please like and subscribe. If you like these series, we're gonna come up with a lot more. So we'll be cooking in the kitchen, showing you how we get lean and trim and how we use simple ingredients to make delicious food, dips and whatnot. So throw them in the blender and away we go. This kind of sauce is perfect if you're training or you just want to eat simple. It adds flavour without loading your food with heavy oils and sauces and ketchup. So definitely give it a try. And if you want to see how I eat alongside my training as well, this will be part of my daily routine playlist. Like the video and I'll keep sharing simple food I actually eat. Cheers, guys.